What did he do? They open this one too?
No, just the one door.
Huh?
They're gonna put those inside, the baskets inside.
And then they open it?
Yeah.
Huh?
I don't think they're gonna open. I think they might close it maybe. There, see all those baskets on the side? Over here? All the silver baskets, they have those are gonna put those inside.
Hey Mom, maybe we know when the guy's gonna be done after her crates, baskets. Hey, maybe we keep the guy leave the Nissan back open, yeah? Yeah?
Yeah?
You wanna do that, Mama?
Wait, say again?
They're gonna leave it open, maybe. When you put the plates inside, they're gonna leave it open, okay? You put the last
Oh, look, he's turning inside here. We're just waiting. Okay.
No.